Are you tired of scrolling through endless make money online videos only to feel more confused about where to even start? Or maybe you are wondering if there's actually a way to make thousands of dollars that doesn't require a ton of upfront cash, advanced skills, or hours glued to your screen. Well, here's the good news. Print on demand might actually just be the solution you've been searching for. In this video, I will show you exactly how it works step by step so you can start your own print on demand online business this year, even if you are starting from scratch. So what is print on demand? Think of it like this. You create designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, or even phone cases, but you don't have to keep any stock or deal with the shipping. A customer simply places an order, and a print-on-demand company takes care of the printing and shipping of the product for you. But you earn a profit on every sale. Sounds simple, right? Yeah. However, the real success comes down to what you sell and how you sell it. So I'm going to be going step by step, and we're going to start with the first step, which is picking a profitable niche. So before you jump into creating random designs, you need to figure out who you are selling to. And this is where most beginners mess up. They try to appeal to everyone, thereby ending up appealing to nobody. Now here's how to find a niche that is working right now. You simply go to Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram and simply search trending t-shirts. You can search for things like trending t-shirts or popular gifts for a specific group, let's say nurses, or even leverage on seasonal periods like Christmas, Easter, or Halloween. You want to pay attention to what's popping up repeatedly. These are your clues to what is working, particularly for seasonal periods. You can also use tools like Etsy and Redbubble. These platforms are gold mines when it comes to finding what is already selling. Simply type in keywords like funny mug and of course it will bring out all the results that there are on Etsy, or you can type cat lover t-shirt and you can see all the results that it would bring out. And you want to look at the best sellers because that is a way for you to draw inspiration on what is actually selling well. One faster way to know what is selling well is to simply read reviews on some of the products. That way you can see what customers want more of. You can choose a niche around passionate communities like gamers, fitness enthusiasts, or teachers. They're usually willing to buy unique products related to their interest. Now we are moving to the next step, which is creating winning designs. Now, once you have your niche, it is time to focus on designs. Now, don't worry if you are not a designer, you don't actually have to be. If you have a little budget, you can hire a designer to create a custom design for you, say $20 or $10. Now, I've gone out there, I did the heavy lifting for you, and I did the research so you do not have to. And I found the most affordable, reliable gig on Fiverr, which you can use to create amazing designs for your print on demand business. I'll be linking the link in my description. Once you click it, it's going to take you directly to this particular gig. And this particular gig also offers video consultation, so you get to express what exactly you want for your print on demand business. It is very affordable, and of course, judging by the reviews, this is a very professional designer. This is my go-to designer. The reason why I would say hire a freelancer if you have some budget, because it's easier to bring your ideas to life when you explain it to a professional, especially if you do not have any design experience. And also, it's simply better to work with someone who has the technical know-how on designs with respect to print on demand, because your designs are what will attract people to your product. Now, this particular freelancer has a lot of experience, years of experience in the print on demand niche, and you can simply relay your designs. So you can click the link in my description to order. However, if you're looking for a free tool, then Canva is your go-to. They have tons of templates. You can simply just type in t-shirts. There are tons of templates here, and you can of course get inspiration from it. However, you would need to tweak them a little. I would not suggest you just go ahead and use these templates directly, because these templates are public. Any other person can see it, so it doesn't really make you stand out. You need to tweak it to of course give it your own flavor. For designs as a beginner, text-based and a little bit of graphics are what are usually doing well. You can see all this text-based, little bit of graphic, text-based, little bit of graphics. So now the third step we are going to be going into is choosing the right platform. This is where your business actually comes to life. There are a lot of print-on-demand platforms out there, but here are the ones I actually recommend. Now, the first one is using Etsy plus Printful or Printify. Printful and Printify are print-on-demand companies. Now, Etsy is amazing because it already has millions of people searching for unique products. So if you search something on Etsy, it comes up right away. And these are actually listed products of people's Etsy shop. So what you want to do is you can create a store on Etsy and connect your Etsy store to a platform for print on demand like Printify or Printful, which handles the printing and the shipping for you. When you are listing your product, you want to make sure that you use keywords in your listings. For example, if your niche is for cat moms and you created a funny design, instead of saying funny mug, you can try putting funny coffee mug for cat moms. That way it is more narrowed down, it has less competition, and it helps your product to be seen even better. Now, the next one I would recommend is Shopify plus Printful. Now, Printful is also a print-on-demand platform. Now, if you want to have more control, you can build your own Shopify store and connect it to Printful. However, the downside to this is that you would need to drive your own traffic because unlike Etsy, Shopify does not have a landing page where you can just search and you will see listings. You would need to set up your store and you would need to drive traffic to your store through ads, social media, or influencers. Now, the fourth step is to promote your products. Now, having a great design isn't enough. It's good, but not good enough. You need people to actually see them. And how do you do that? One thing you can do is you can leverage TikTok and Instagram Reels. Believe me, short form video is king right now. And you can create content like how I designed the mugs for cat lovers as if you did the design yourself, or top gifts for gamers in 2025, or trending t-shirts for cat moms, just stuff like that. You also want to show off your design in real life settings. So what you can do is create one for yourself. You can wear it, put it on while you are doing your content creation, or show it off. People actually love seeing how products look in real world. That way they resonate more with it, they connect more with it, and of course leads to more conversion over time. Now, the second way you can promote your product is using Pinterest for passive traffic. With Pinterest, you can upload pins featuring your products with link to your store. Pinterest is actually a search engine, so your pins can drive traffic to your store for months. Meaning as long as people are searching for that pin and your pins keep showing up, then people will continually check your store. And of course, in the long run, the potential of the traffic and the conversion to your store and to your products increases. Now, the third way to promote your product is simply running ads. You can run simple ads. Platforms like Etsy let you run ads directly on their site. So you can start small, maybe $5 a day, depending on your budget. And that can go a long way if your products are good. Now, the fifth step is to scale your business. Once you've made a level of sales, you don't want to stay at one point. You want to grow. You want to make more sales. You will need to focus on scaling your business. And one way to do that is testing new niches. For example, let's say funny mugs for cat moms actually worked and you made quite a number of sales with it. You can try expanding to funny mugs for dog moms or funny pet owner mugs. Another way to scale your business is by investing in better tools using like premium Shopify themes. That's if you are using Shopify to sell, and that will make your store look more professional. You can also build an email list by using apps like Mailchimp to collect customers' emails and send them discounts or updates about new products. That way, you are able to maintain a loyal set of customers that keep coming to buy from you. Another way is also to invest in a good designer. So if you had been leveraging on free designs, maybe with Canva, you can now upgrade and scale your business by bringing in unique designers to increase your conversions. So now what you need to know is that success with print on demand doesn't happen overnight. So anybody who has made it with print on demand, it did not happen overnight. But with consistent effort, you will definitely start to see results. So don't go doing print on demand for 3 days and screaming it doesn't work. It actually works. And people have made thousands of dollars online with this particular method. And you can also make the same too if you choose to show up every day, if you choose to remain dedicated, if you choose to remain committed. So go out there and make it happen. And if you found this video super helpful, make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so YouTube will notify you first when I drop the next video. Stay tuned. See you in my next video. Ciao.